Hello and welcome, David here again. And let's just get straight right to it. Are you about to spend your hard-earned money on multi-betting tips for about $10 to as high as $50, depending on what package you are on every month? Well, let's find out. Let's find out if it's worth $50 or $45, or maybe the lowest of $10 every month or weekly. We're about to find out. So I have my notes here, very handy, because it's going to help you save your money today. Yes, the app might be good, but if you don't watch to the end, will you know that? So let's go. Let's check it out. So there's something about multi-betting tips from Google Play Store. It's one of the most popular apps for football predictions out there, and they have a lot of reviews. Yes, they will have a lot of reviews. What do you expect from a company who have been able to convince people to download 1 million times? Yes, you heard me right. Over 1 million downloads, and they keep getting more every month. But is the premium plan worth it? Is their VIP plan worth it? I'm about to spill right about now. So every screenshot you're going to be seeing is going to be coming from the 17th, I think the 17th of December. The notification came in on the 18th. I'm going to be showing you on the screenshot. So every screenshot I'm going to be using for reference, where you see they wrote last night we won, check the date is either the 18th or the 17th. And if the date is the 18th or the 17th, I'm going back one day to confirm if truly what they wrote is what they said it is. So now looking at my sheet from the 17th of December 2024. So obviously you'll be seeing the reference of 18th, because that's when they sent the notification that they won big, right? Now let me show you something. Last night current score, which you'll be seeing on this side of your screen now, they claim to have won 28 odds. Yes, that's what is written down, 28 odds won. And let's check it out, right? Now look at the screenshot, the video recording by my own left, it will be by your own right? Out of 7, only 2 games won under the correct scores for the 17th of December. And the highest odd was 5.50. So how come they are claiming to have won 28 odds? How come? That's how these apps roll. They just want to show us that they are winning. They just want to entice you to get there. That's not even the shocking thing. We are just in one box out of 5. Now let's go to halftime, full time. VIP, they claimed again to have won 23 odds. Meanwhile, me going through the game, as you can see with the proof I have on the screen, out of 7 games, they won 5. Fair play to them. But most of these games you see, they don't put them as single games, they put them as accumulators. So if they are on as accumulators, you definitely lost that accumulator. But if you played them single, depending on the odds, you would have won 5 out of 7, and the highest odd for that day was 2.35. I don't want to waste your time. I'll keep going. Let's go on to multi 10 plus odd VIP picks, which they claim to win 5 out of 6. To be sincere, this was the only time they claimed, or the only 2 times they claimed to have won that day that they actually won. So on that day, the 10 plus odd picks, they won, yes, the 5 out of 6. But they claim the accumulator was about 10 plus odd. I did that calculation. That was not. You can do your calculation. Let me know down in the comments. I might be wrong with the calculation, but that's why I'm being transparent here so that you don't make the mistake. And if you're considering joining the over possible 10,000 premium followers, you need to see this. This is just one day of testing. I'll keep on testing. I'll test 1 week, I'll test 2 weeks if you want, and I'll test 1 month. Let's go over to the Mixed VIP. Mixed VIP, they claim to have won 3 of 3, which yes, I went back to check and all 3 won, which makes it the first time they are actually winning a real accumulator from these tips. The very first time they are actually winning a proper accumulator on the 17th of December. But what they put, like I said, I'll show you what they put in the message to people who are not in VIP was that they won majority of it and won big odds. Okay, starter VIP. I don't want to go to the premium VIP because premium VIP has the mixed VIP, the 10 odd, the halftime, full time, the current score, and the rest. I'm not going through that because most people will be on the starter VIP. Starter VIP, they claim to have won 7 out of 9. Let's find out again if that's true. So inside standard VIP, you have fixed VIP, mixed VIP, and special VIP, as you'll be seeing on the screen. Fixed VIP accumulator lost, winning 2 out of 3 games. Mixed VIP accumulator won, winning 3 out of 3 games. Special VIP accumulator lost, winning just 2 out of 3 games. But well, they claim to have won big on the 17th of December. I'm not seeing anything like that, and this is the reason why my channel came up. I want to see legit apps on this platform. Don't get me wrong, this is me just going through one day, right? But I can guarantee you today is the 21st of December at the time of recording this video, and I've been on this monitoring since the 9th of December 2024, and I can categorically tell you multi-betting tips have not been doing well VIP wise. They have some free picks like their super special or whatever it's called. I'll write the name if I can during the edit. Edit takes time. I'm just being raw here talking to you. It can be cool in the free group, so you might want to stick in a free group for a while. But I'm telling you, you're going to be getting this notification of we won 50 odds, we won big odds. Nah, I've not seen that. From the 9th to the 21st, which is today at the time of recording this video, I've not seen anything like that. I hope to see it, and this now is giving me the motivation to record more apps to see how those apps go, how they work. Are they legit? Do they promise you what they really have to promise you? But on this so far multi-betting tips, sorry, I would not recommend you to anyone watching this video who needs to save their money. Anyone getting a paid picks is trying to make money, right? You're trying to save money, you're trying to be productive, you're trying to generate income for other things you do in your life, and you need the best and you don't need no one lying to you. And trust me, the last 1 week from multi-betting tips have been nothing